Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to get TikTok in China, so let's start. So if you want to get TikTok in China, you have to got a VPN. If you have a VPN, you can start using the VPN in China without any problem. You can choose the country and start using this app. Because if you know, China has a different TikTok. It's not like the others. The China TikTok is special, so if you don't want to use this one or you would prefer to use this one, you can use a VPN for connecting to this country. And there are a bunch of VPN here, but I recommend you to use the NordVPN. As you can see here, this is the principal page. Just go to the left side and you will find here the menu. Just go to NordVPN and here just scroll down and let's go to manual setup. Here on Manasanop, you can change the country. In this case, you can select the one that you prefer. In this case, I will put United States as example, and you will see here a bunch of VPN that are available for the United States. You can select China, you can select, I don't know, Romania, you can select Mexico, whatever country that you prefer. There are a bunch of VPN for NordVPN here. So just select the one that you prefer, and then let's go to get set of configuration. When you do it, you will connect to the VPN in that country. In that way, you will connect on TikTok without any problem. You can start using China TikTok, and now you can start watching the videos there. So guys, that's the way to do it. I hope this works for you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and don't forget to give us a thumb up to this video.